Frio here. Today, here's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to pull the curtain back on VA loans. I've been doing this business for over 36 years. You realize that? I know a lot of secrets from these companies, and I didn't think I'd come out and really reveal some of these things, but I got to give kudos to this video here. Thank you for doing what you did, and Mom, love you to pieces. So now let's get over to this thing. What I want to talk about today is VA loans, and here's what I want to do. I want to pull the curtain back on some things, because you probably think, okay, these companies out there, the veterans companies, for me, they're probably the best companies to go to. And so when you do research, and when you're in the business as long as I am, you kind of know how the trick of the trade work. So Jennifer came out and said, you guys got to watch a lot of things. One is fees, because people get sold. If they say they are representing the VA, or VA assigned you to them or something like that, be careful. Okay, because VA doesn't assign you and say, okay, call this person for a loan. That's called steering, and you can't do that. So there's going to be a lot of things here that you really need to pay attention to. But the biggest thing I want you guys to understand is when it comes down to is the fees. Okay, a lot of these companies come out and they'll just promise you, okay, they're going to sell you hard on the payment. If your lender is one telling you they're kind of representing the VA, please be leery. They're going to fly through everything else, and then they're going to say, oh, it's built in. Well, don't pay $20,000, $30,000 in closing cost fees, folks. Please don't be taken advantage of. So those are the biggest pieces of the puzzle when it comes to VA lenders, because I've seen it. And you think, okay, they're spending a lot of money on marketing. Well, they're going to have to charge a lot of fees to pick up that. And that's why a lot of those big lenders throughout our whole country, they advertise a lot. If you know their names, that means they're spending a lot of money on advertising. So their rates might be okay, but please check the fees. Make me the last place. Okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to automatically search over 30 different lenders, almost 40 different lenders for you. So what I want you to do is all your due diligence, send me your best offer. If I can beat it, if I can beat the rate, and I can beat the fees, because we're fee conscious here, I'm hoping to win your business. Okay, that's all. I'm looking to try to get these people that are really hosing you, maybe either drop their profits, and they're not going to go out of business, but maybe make it a little bit tougher on them, that they can actually get back in the atmosphere of helping people instead of trying to help their bottom line. So that's it for today, folks. I'm not here to sell you on buying a house. I'm not here to sell you on refinancing. My goal, my whole being, wants you to just get educated. And then once you understand how all this works, hopefully, if you need to refinance and it makes sense, or you're looking to buy, hopefully use me.